Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on transpiration, and this was prepared by the Tutoring team. So let's jump in. The question says, describe how transpiration takes place in plants. Okay, let's just get an understanding of what transpiration is, and it's basically the loss of water through the extremities of a plant. So loss of water. Okay. And basically how this works is through two different phases. The first phase is your osmosis phase. Okay. And during the osmosis phase, the water will move from a high water potential, which is found in the cells, through the cell membrane to a low water potential, which was found in the air pockets. Okay. The next phase is the diffusion phase. Okay. During the diffusion phase, the water vapor will then move from a high concentration in the air pockets through the stomata to the surrounding air, which has a low concentration of water vapor. And so once we do this, once the plants do this, water will then be lost from the plants as water vapor to the surrounding air. So now you know what transpiration is and the different phases that occur within it. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website, which you'll find all the details down below. Also, just a shout out to our sponsor. You can also find their details down below. Until next time, stay epic.